In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about structures and unions. Hello everyone, this is Teja and welcome to Skills Grow. The topics that we are going to discuss in the video are: what is a structure, what is union, declaration of structure, initialization of structure, declaration of union, differences between structure and union, and similarities between structure and union. Okay, let's get into our first topic. What is a structure? A structure in the C programming language is a composite data type declaration that defines a physically grouped list of variables to be placed under one name in a block of memory. A structure is a collection of related elements, possibly of different data types having the single name. By using structures, we can create our own data types. That means structure is a better way to extend a programming language. Here is the syntax for the structure. Structure can be defined using the keyword struct. The structure name used in the syntax is the tag name that has to be given to a structure. There are n number of variables in the syntax. That means all those n number of variables are to be placed in a single name. The syntax for both structure and union are same. The only difference is the keyword struct is replaced by union. What is union? Union is an object similar to structure, except that all of its members start at the same location in memory. It is a collection of variables of different data types. Union holds value for one data type that requires the larger storage. Here is an important point to know. Once we assign a new value, then the existing data is wiped over with the new data. Here is the syntax for union. Union in the syntax is a keyword, and the union tag is the tag name that has to be given to the union. Here the members from 1 to n are the collection of different data types. Here in the example, item is the tag name given to the union, and integer m, float f and character c are the different data types declared in the union. Declaration of structure. Declaration of structure reverses no space. Like any other variables, structure should be declared before using it. Here it is the syntax for declaring a structure variable, and it must contain these elements. They are keyword struct, struct type name, a list of variable names separated by commas, and a concluding semicolon. Here in the given example, date is the tag name given to the struct, and integer date, character month and integer year are the different data types declared in the structure. Initialization of structure. Like variables of any other data types, structure should be initialized at the point of declaration. Here is the syntax for initialization of structure. Declaration of union. Unions are declared in the same way as a structure, but the struct keyword is replaced with union. Here is an example program for declaring union. Roll number, name and marks are the variables of data types integer and character declared in the union. Memory allocation. Storing a roll number or marks requires 2 memory bytes, and to store a name 4 memory bytes are required. Union members that makes a union share the same storage within the computer's memory. So the roll number, name and marks share the 4 bytes within themselves to reduce the storage space. Differences between structure and union. Several members of structures can be initialized at once, whereas in the union, first member of union can only be initialized at once. In a structure, every member has its own memory, but in union, all members use the same memory. Structure consumes more space, whereas unions consume less space. Different interpretation of same memory location is impossible in structure, whereas it is possible in unions. Similarities between structure and union. Both structure and union can accept the dot operator to address a member from the object name. Both can accept the tag name and as well as explicit initialization. Both union and structure have their size exactly determined as maximum size. Both use brace delimited declarations to create the template for the data object. Thank you for watching the video and log on to skillsgrow.com to learn more courses.